Hey, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a trick that I call the Rollout Twirl. There it is. It's a variant on the backhand twirl. It's much more useful in my opinion as it ends up in this position here, and that can be used to get into things like Zen rollovers or whatever. So yeah, here's a slow-mo. It's honestly pretty simple. You basically just do a double rollout, but you move your finger out of the way and do a backhand twirl. Same motion as a backhand twirl. So if you can do that trick, then you can basically do this trick. Don't worry, I'll go into more detail about the specifics of it if you don't know how to do that. But yeah, if you can do that and you can do this, then you're basically solid. So getting into more detail, you're going to start with the knife in standard grip, safe handle of course. So the bite handle is of course the one that the blade goes into, so safe handle, won't cut you. And you're going to flick it out over your first finger. So just like that. And just like you're doing a basic open, you're going to rotate it 180 degrees, so half rotation. So that's basically the first steps of a basic open. You just do that. So yeah, practice that until you got that down, you can get that smooth. And then you're going to introduce a new element to that, where you move this finger out of the way. So you do that, and then you do this. So you basically just do the double rollout, the first step of the double rollout, and then you pull your first finger out, and then do the rotation, and you'll end up like this. From there, you're going to want to insert this finger, so you're holding it like this, and flick it back up over, so it's like a T shape kind of. And then from here, you're going to rotate, you're going to push down with your middle finger and up with your first finger. So it kind of does this, right? So you're pushing down and up, and that'll rotate it. And once it gets to about here, you're going to put your thumb in here, like right up against the bottom right there, and you're going to keep spinning, and you're going to grab it between your first finger and your thumb, and make sure your thumb is out of the way of the channel, and then you're going to flip it up. So going through that again, you basically just do the double rollout, but move your finger out of the way halfway through. So you can even do it the first one as well if you want, like that, where you just kind of, and then rotate it. It really doesn't matter. I just personally find that to be easier for beginners when you're first learning to do that instead. And then you're going to flip it up, make it kind of a T shape, push down with your middle finger and up with your first finger to make it spin until you get to right here. You're going to put your thumb in there, and you're going to keep it spinning, and you're going to grip it between your thumb and first finger and pull your middle finger out of there, and then make sure that it doesn't, none of your fingers are in the way, and then you're just going to flip it up. It's that simple. So from there again, you can do something like a Zen rollover or whatever. But yeah, that's basically the trick. It's pretty simple, like I said, and yeah, that's it.